So we're going to keep going. If we take a look again at our um, original sample here, you can see that this has sort of a different kind of icier hue to it, and we achieve that through the use of a color adjustment layer. So let's go ahead and do that now. So back on our new file, with our uppermost layer selected, we're going to go down here to this little guy to create an adjustment layer, or we could do it up here. And I think, I've never done it this way, but there should be one up here for solid color. No, come on, there must be. Nope. Okay, never mind, we'll do it down here. And so we'll click on there, and what we want is a solid color adjustment layer. All right, and then we're gonna unclick web colors, and over here on this sort of vertical bar, we're gonna pick a range kind of in a icier hue, and pick something, oh, I don't know, around there. And then when we like that, we can just hit OK. And you'll see right off the bat that what we've done is we've just made a solid layer of color on top of our illustration. So how do we get this to interact with everything below? In this case, it has to do with your blending mode. By default, the blending mode is set to normal, and that's here in your layers menu. But in this instance, we want to change it down here to color. All right, so now Photoshop looks at the entire illustration below this layer in terms of this color, right? And if that's too much, what we can do is take the opacity of this level and drive it down until we start to see a hint of the original color coming through. And so in this instance, that might be right around 50%. So we still get the overall color effect, but you know, it's not as overwhelming as it might have been otherwise. So that's it for this little quick version of using a color adjustment layer. Next, we're going to go on to adding, I think, the purple bar down here. So we'll see you next time for that.